Today I'm going to be finishing off these nice little key rings. They're laser engraved design and make light bulbs. They need sanding because this is one that failed that we didn't do a logo on. I got someone to help me laser engrave these because obviously I don't have a laser engraver. So yeah, that one failed, but if you look at some of the, like that one for example, I need to sand this off, the laser engraving marks. There's another one. So these ones are upside down, but like if you have your keys, when you put them in the door lock, they're going to go that way, or whatever you have them in. So that's fine. I'm going to try and get 3 done. That one looks quite nice still, so it might go on the wall. This is the big one I actually made. So that's going to go on the back wall somewhere with the big light bulb and design and making writing. So we're just going to get a bit of this oil on here. I'm just going to wipe it over it. Try not to completely cover my hands in it, but that's seeming to fail, so we'll just live with it. So one of these is actually going to be going to one of you people who watches the video. Just a tiny bit of leftover oil and just wiping over all of those. Then I'll wipe out the container. So they're just going to be left to dry.